Let's learn how to combine some radicals of different roots. I got two problems for you. One here where we're multiplying those two values together, or excuse me, here where we're multiplying, and here where we have one within another. So how would you attack a problem like this? The first thing you're going to want to start with is right here. We got fifth root of j to the third power. So what does that really simplify down to? That's just j to the 3/5 power. Okay. Now, outside of that, we have the fourth root, which the fourth root is going to be multiplied by this, and that's going to give me a 1/4. So we're going to be taking 1/4 and multiplying them together. You could also write this out to the power of 1/4. So you could take all of this and put it to the power of 1/4, which exponent rules tell us we got to multiply these either way. Okay, so when we multiply those together, you're going to end up getting j to the 3 times 1, which is 3, 5 times 4, which is 20. So now we have it broken down into a fractional exponent, but we want to write these out as a singular radical. Okay, so a singular radical result, this would be exponential result. If they ask for a radical result, the 20 is going to go in the crevice right here, j to the third power inside of the radical. And that would be your final answer once simplifying it down. Let's take a look at this one here where we're multiplying these two radicals together. We have different roots that we're dealing with. Here we're dealing with the square root. Here we're dealing with the fourth root. I would recommend writing t down, but changing the radical square root to 1/2. Remember, there's a hidden 2 here and a hidden 1 there. So really, we're just dealing with t to the 1/2 power. Now, the thing we're doing is multiplying by fourth root of t to the 7th, which is really just t to the 7/4. Remember, the number in the crevice goes on the bottom. The number inside the radical goes on the top. So what is our exponent rule when we're multiplying bases that are the same? Okay, instead of multiplying the exponents like putting a power over another power, here we did 3 times 1, 5 times 4. We multiplied those fractions together. We don't want to multiply fractions here. Remember that old rule of x to the third times x to the 5th means x to the 3 plus 5. We need to add these together. So since we're multiplying bases that are the same, we're going to add those fractions together, but we got a problem. Those fractions don't have a common denominator. So we need to turn that 2 into a 4. So this is t to the something over 4. Well, what's 1/2 over 4? That would be 2/4. And then we're multiplying, or excuse me, we're going to be adding that together with 7/4. And that's going to leave me with a final result of t to the, what's 2 plus 7? 9/4. Take this exponential form, convert it into radical form. The 4 goes in the crevice, t goes inside, 9 is your exponent, and we have now answered these two questions. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.